are also live on YouTube at the moment. Hello, everyone who is watching, my subscribers. It is one hell of a Thursday. We are so happy to be here and to trade as we usually do during this time of the day. Hello, everyone who is joining us on the live. I have all my chats right here. Hello, Candle Astrologer. Hello, Rizwan. The early bird gets the worm. Good afternoon. And to all my YouTube subscribers, welcome as well. Today we're going to take some live trades. I think it's a regular Thursday. Yes, we need to learn. I trade most of the time crypto, now looking at diversifying my portfolio. I am on my way to be a pro, so you can learn along with me while I trade. I will share all of the trades that I am doing, any positions that I'm entering. I will show it to you guys, and you know, it's one of the important things to do, I guess. Yesterday, so I was looking at a head and shoulders pattern yesterday during my live trades where we drew a neckline right here around. I'll just draw it so that you know, you just can see it essentially right here. And then we did our short position, taking it from 90 to 800, and then it tested it, and then we waited 4 hours, dear viewers. We waited 4 hours for our candles to make substantial moves, and it was like, Regina, today you gotta be patient, and then patient reaps benefits. So in 15-minute candle swoop minus 1.18, and we took our profit as well. So it was a good trade that we set up. But then if you did not take the profit, you know what would have happened? Price would have just skyrocketed the stop loss that I set, and then again it took like a downward trend. So suggestion is, when you're entering trades, no matter how confident you are, always take your profits. Always. Yes, that is a BDC chart on the screen that I'm looking at. For all my viewers who want to get into crypto and they think it's volatile, yes, it is volatile. AF. It's not for the faint-hearted. You think that all that you learned, all your trading analysis, things will hit the ceiling, but market performs in like very volatile ways. But I've been in the industry for 8 years and I have traded for almost 2 years. So it's, going good at the moment. Do follow me on TikTok for all those who like to learn about trading. And what I share is just not applicable in crypto alone, but it works across different assets, be it gold, be it stocks, be it commodities, be it crypto, be it anything, indexes, you name it, anything that has a candle on it, that's something that my analysis that I have learned over the years applies to. I'm opening up a BDC chart on TradingView. Everybody loves bragging about their wins. Me too. How's everyone's day going? Today apparently is a super moon, and the moon's gonna look so bright, so beautiful. We have meteor showers happening all around the world. Is this a triple bottom that I'm looking at on the chart? On the 15-minute chart, it looks like a triple bottom. On a 1 hour chart, it looks almost like a double bottom, but it's only up until here. That's 92, 245. Yeah, that's still a 1%. So let's spin out some magic. You see that the price has come and like touched right here where we had a previous strong candle situation, also here candle situation, and then price seems to like literally go back down. Look, I'm here on this live for about 4 hours, and I'm going to take trades and I'm going to prepare a trade setup. Hopefully that it works out within the 4 hours, but otherwise, like sometimes it happens after that. For after the news, you can check my link in the bio. I have a TG channel. For all those who like free gifts and who have entered crypto, want to enter crypto, if you visit my Telegram channel that has the links in the bio, there is a spin the wheel contest. You can win BTC, XRP, EDH, nothing. Just use my code, sign up using my code, and you can participate in that. And that's only for my viewers and subscribers. And also those who sign up using my code, every day I drink matcha on my live stream. I will have their username right here on this cup, and then I will have a matcha to their username. This is also for my YouTube subscribers and viewers. We need darker colors. Like TradingView has such sad colors. Only if I would get proper colors on TradingView. All right. So now what I am waiting for is that if the price comes to this level at 93,444.9, and goes above it, then this move is almost nonsense. But if I get a confirmation that price is moving away from that line, I will take a short to the level of 92, and that's on the safe side. So look, there is a green candle as we speak. But yeah, there's an FVG area situation. I will wait and see if that just got filled. Every trader has their own way of trading. I have my own. The risk reward right now is 2.2. If it's gold, it's not short. It's not gold, it is BDC. But right now, there people say, oh, you know, you only talk highly volatile assets. Right now, I'm looking at gold and I see a clean fair value gap entry point right here. But I have to take a look at the chart to see if it's forming any patterns. What about Sui coin? Sunil asks, what about Sui? Okay, let's take a look. Sunil, first is go and subscribe to my channel. Also, before I give you more details on this, but I'm going to look at Sui right now. We are on the 15-minute chart of Sui. Have you made an entry position anywhere, Sunil, or do you just want to know what the momentum looks like? in spot 1.72. So you have entered at 1.72. Let's take a look at that right here. Okay, I'll share something with you, Sunil, and hi, I am new in trading. I want to understand everything. Can you help me start my trading journey? Of course. Of course. If you're new to crypto, go ahead, check the link in the bio. I have a Telegram channel. You can sign up using my promo code, create your account, and you know what? I'm not asking you to deposit any amount. If you just sign up, one is you get crypto through a spin the wheel. Those details I will be dropping at in about half an hour. You get crypto in your wallet, so you can like trade with it. And if you sign up, you get 10 USDT. So you can look at the trades that I do, why I do what I do, and then you can become a pro. And I drop interesting educational posts on my TikTok so that you can learn from the basics, be it chart patterns, be it, how to take entry points, how to exit, how to take profit. Like, for example, what we're doing right now, one of our viewers, Sunil, has asked that he has taken an entry at 1.72. And I will zoom out. Right now I'm on a 15-minute chart. I will look at a higher time frame and share. Sunil, are you looking to hold this long term, or are you looking to actively trade this long term? Okay, so we will get started with that. Okay, so if I had to take a long term view, predictions take some time. So, or analysis as well. It's just not prediction. I'm just trying to assess, is this been on in a downtrend or an uptrend? Okay. Now, from what I see in my chart, so I'm using the LBank app right here on my desktop. I'm looking from January. Okay. So we are talking about the trading pair is SUI. The price point from Jan 6, 2025, it was at I think it's an all-time high. It is an all-time high at 5 point, roughly, let's take 5.3. All right. And it then in March, it came down to exactly what we're looking at today, 1.6762. Then it went up again at 4, and then it went higher to 4.3. But right now, it seems like it's moving downwards. Okay, this is the basic understanding. Now, if I had to zoom out and look at a support and resistance level for you, okay, I will draw the support level right now. No biases. Okay. So I have taken the weekly chart and have drawn my support and resistance right now. I am drawing multiple support lines, and Sunil, I just want to tell you ki these are not 100% sure because markets move accordingly. All right. And they are highly volatile. This is from just basic trading analysis. This is not financial advice. You have to check it again by yourself. Okay, so now I have roughly drawn the lines. What are you using for looking at the charts? I keep it simple, bro. Trading view all the way. Okay, so the lowest price point of SUI was at 0.557. All right, and then it hit one zone. So if you wanna, should I take my phone and show you closely? Okay, I will help you with that. So bear with the movement of the camera. Okay. So this is the support level that has formed twice since the very beginning. Okay. The token launched somewhere 15th of May 2023. Lowest point was somewhere at 16 October or 2nd October, whatever this is, of 2023. Another low point was right here, July 2024. Same places. It came like it didn't go below this. All right. Then next, during this time, what happened? It hit one level. After that, it just went downwards, but it did not go below this level. Now, when I draw this line, this is not exact line. It goes like, give or take like 1%, 5%. This, we are looking at a chart called SUI USDT. Then it went up to this line in October 2024. It crossed this line. It had to see previously what happened right here. It hit and then it went down. It didn't go above this. Here it went above, but it came back here. Now people would have thought, Arey, it will come back here again, but then it shot up. It shot up and continued to go up till January. Now see, price keeps moving. This is for long-term people that we are looking at. Then I told you here, this was the highest price that it reached here in, March and February 2024. Once it went up, it came back to the same line. This is at price point 1.9 roughly 1.88. Okay, always take it with some percentage. ये आप सोना का चार्ट ओपन किए हैं? नहीं, ये सोना का नहीं है, ये दूसरे का है, SUI. Okay, now once it fell, it came back to the same point where it created previous high. ठीक है, तो अभी now what happened? This became support. इसके नीचे थोड़ा बहुत गया, but then it again went up. What happened? It did not go to the previous high. It fell short. Then we realize कि here our sellers are there. Here and here our buyers are there. Now this is fairly from 1 year, 2025, right? It's become 2025. Okay. Sorry. So from 2025, our buyers are right here. Now we are in April 2025. So price goes here, then इसके ऊपर it's not gone yet. Now it's going down. It is testing this zone 1.8730. It has gone below this zone. All right. What has happened before? Before it went up, it came to this zone and went up. Now it is coming down to this zone. It will come up till this point, that is 1.8, जो भी है 1.87. It will come to this point. So you entered at 1.72. It will be, you have to again see, देखो market will do anything and everything, but one key point that you have to listen to and hear is that this is a high. This is, I will still consider this one same high. This is a low. This made a higher low, but this made a lower low. Correct? The lower low. Now what has happened? It will test this zone. अगर आपको you want to take profit, you can take at 1.87 ish or 1.731. Then you have to wait for the market to play. Now, since this is on a very high time frame, ये candles क्या हो गए? I mean, what are these candles? If you look at the chart patterns, these are bullish candles. Bullish candles, and we have to see it. That means at least it will hit the price of 1.87. At least. After that, we have to see what is the movement. It can even come until. So अभी क्या हो गया है? This has become one M sign. Okay, price sometimes can come until this zone also. That is 2.4383. So it can two ways. It can reach this point 1.87 and then go down and hit this bottom, or it can go to 2.40. But I will suggest you can take your profit at 1.85 and then or 1.87 and then see what the market is doing. So now if I have to look at a 4-hour chart, do I have any sign? So I'm coming back to 4-hour chart. Okay. So it still has momentum that it goes upwards. One more thing. Now when you come to this chart, this forms one pattern that is called a double bottom. Okay, I will just, for reference sake, I will draw one small line here so that you can see it. But this double bottom has formed nowhere. Okay, or what I will do, okay, let's see if this double bottom makes any sense. For all the viewers who are liking the video, please go follow me. Also, go to my Telegram channel, subscribe, create an account on L-Bank, and you can trade with me. You have a spin the wheel challenge that you can get crypto for spinning a wheel and using my code. Life could not have gone more simpler than this. Okay, so we are looking, this is SUI, उर्दू में बात करें. हमारी उर्दू इतनी भी अच्छी नहीं है कि हम बात कर सके. Wow, okay, that was this, sorry, this is crazy. There would have been some big liquidation right here. But anyway, no FOMO. Now, what I am doing is, ये बना हमारा डबल बॉटम. डज दिस लुक, हाँ मोस्टली उर्दू टॉकिंग है लोग, अच्छी बात. सबको उर्दू आती है तो कमेंट्स में बताइए कि आप उर्दू मेरी उर्दू समझ पा रहे हैं और मैं हिंदी या उर्दू में बात कर सकती हूँ. सो नाउ व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज आई एम गोइंग बैक हियर. दिस इज our buy zone. Okay, but wait a minute. This is our buy zone. So let me color them so that I know properly what is what line. Or I will add a text. I will write this here. Buy zone. Can I confirm? This was our buy zone. अपने एक्सनेस पर ट्रेड करती हैं. What is एक्सनेस? BDC. आपकी किस एक्सचेंज पे कर रही हूँ मैं? ये है L-Bank. अगर आपको और डिटेल्स चाहिए तो मेरा टेलीग्राम के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें, वो लिंक डिटेल्स में है. और ये सब जो भी मैं बात कर रही हूँ ये एक्सपीरियंस से है, तो टेलीग्राम चैनल में भी मैं डालती हूँ कि जो भी मैंने पढ़ा लिखा सोचा समझा, क्या करती हूँ, कौन से ट्रेड्स लेती हूँ, कब टेक प्रॉफिट होता है, मेरा स्टॉप लॉस गया है कि नहीं. it's just about that. So coming back here, ये जो लाइन है ये रहा हमारा buy zone. Yes, learning strategy is important. This line is important. If price goes below this line, that means this is, I will tell you that line. If price goes below 1.318, then it is destined to go down. So if you have to cut your losses, Sunil, आपने जो 1.72 पे खरीदा है, अगर प्राइस 1.31 के नीचे जाता है तो वो नीचे जाने वाला है to 0.5. However, क्या हो सकता है, ये consolidation में it will just remain. But anyway, this is a buy zone that is very clear. Essentially, most traders ऐसे चकमा खा जाते हैं कि अरे ये तो buy zone है, यहाँ से खरीदना होगा. But you have to wait for confirmation. Blue line order block है, means FVG. देखिए, FVG के लिए मैं खुद से तो टेक्नोलॉजी है हमारे पास, तो टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल करना होगा. Can we see any FVGs right here? देखिए ये FVG जो है, जो हमारे जो viewers हैं, they're talking about the fair value gap is right down here. But anyway, let me make sense of what I'm doing first. So we have buy zone above this. तो अगर इसके ऊपर प्राइस गया है तो definitely people will buy. यहाँ से अगर प्राइस गया है ऊपर, so यहाँ पर bullish candles दिखाई दे रहे हैं, and now, and this was a point after which price supposed to, historically supposed to go down. Historically, price supposed to go down to this level. If it goes below 1.38, यहाँ से also it has gone. So we even find some people who wanted to sell here, some people who wanted to buy, and then so I will take a red and I will show some sellers. Color change करेंगे. These are sellers. फिर आगे यहाँ पर कि there were sellers. Sorry, here also there were sellers. This point and this point. So अभी ये हो गया हमारा strong line. यहाँ पर सारी activity होती है. That is at 1.870. So now what has happened is these are good candles. We go on 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart shows us that this is forming a, first of all, this was a downward trend. So price moved down. It came to this support level and previous resistance. And then यहाँ से, this became support. Previously it was resistance. Now it has clearly become support. This is forming a double bottom, or जो मैं कहती हूँ एक W pattern. Okay, this W goes like this. Where is my brush? Okay, and now we see it go up. People think that, oh, it's clearly W. It has crossed this part. This was a resistance before, and we saw a green candle shoot up exactly right here, and then price went up. Now, some sellers, even though this is not a zone for anything right now, they stepped in and they are trying to come back to this level. My lines are not very straight, but I hope they do the job. So this pair is SUI USDT. Here, this is what the pair looks like. इसका बस analysis कर रहे हैं. It is not really any financial advice. So now, the buy momentum has slowed down and it is coming slightly downwards. I won't call this bearish yet. It seems like it's taken a turn at least. the downtrend has stopped for now and it is slightly moving upwards, but it is not an uptrend yet. When will we get the confirmation that it is uptrend? Is when it moves above 1.8730. But until then, you can hold. This is going to play out in the long term. You will have to see 3 months, 6 months, but it will, test either this level. That's when you will get your confirmation, and then it will test this level. That's when you will get a confirmation if it is up. And sometimes, there are a lot of fake outs. What is a fake out? It shows that, oh, I'm going in uptrend, I will slow down, then I will go up, and I will go. Always prices have, see, one major rally, thoda sa pullback will be there. The pullback generally comes up to this level. So don't panic away. Your stop loss should be right here. If it goes below this, then it's going down. But until here, you can wait. Or if you want to set a very early stop loss, you can even set it at this price right here. That is 1.626. If it is uptrend, then there is no stopping, because then this essentially becomes the buy zone. यहाँ से तो price उठता ही उठता है, because यहाँ देखो, it came till this zone and then it went up at least यहाँ तक. That is the previous low. And ये 4 hour का chart है, तो you can make some understanding for okay 2-3 weeks या 4 weeks में price at least comes back to here. So now this is essentially a buy zone. Oops, let's just do Control C. So this was a small analysis of SUI, giving you some trading principles of where to take profit. So take profit first. See, if you're holding for a long time, your take profit can be here at this level. Half take profit. Move your stop loss to this zone, just above your take profit. If it's going up, then let it go up. If it is then going to go down, आपका कोई नुकसान नहीं. Okay. That is when you are profitable. The price is the price is going towards this zone. If the price is going towards, देखो pullback तो आएगा यहाँ तक, okay, and I will tell you the zone 1.5, 1.6, okay, 1.5, yeah, 1.5, 1.6 तक pullback तो आएगा, because you see here there has been lot of culture, there has been lot of movement, so price will definitely come back here. अगर इसके नीचे गया, if it goes below 1.50, yes, 1.50, 1.50 से नीचे गया, then it will test this zone. तो बहुत सारी फेक आउट्स और प्रोबेबिलिटीज है, ये कि नहीं शॉर्ट अरे रेजिना ने कहा हम यही करेंगे, ये नहीं. You have to sense the market sentiment. देखो अगर न्यूज में सुई का फाउंडर ने कुछ कहा और you see some moving news about it, correct, 1.3 is testing area, very much a testing area, this zone. Otherwise once it goes below 1.3, उसके बाद that means then it will confirm that it is a downtrend. See, I will do one more analysis for you, okay. I keep talking. I think I talk too much. see now, this went up and it came down. People would have thought that, oh, this is the same W pattern that Regina told. यहाँ से तो ऊपर ही जाएगा. It will cross this. What happened? This is at an insignificant zone. Price movement, previous. Always look at history, historical prices. Okay. There was nothing here. And this was almost an uptrend. Ye chota, if you see, this is a downtrend, this is not a downtrend. This has just been from July to August. 1 month, you cannot tell if something is completely in a downtrend or no, unless it is a highly volatile asset. The price movement is from 3.3 to 4.2 to 3.3. That's, you cannot 100% you cannot say if something is uptrend or downtrend if the price has moved so much. इतने में तो एक ही दिन का percentage change होता है थोड़े coins में. So now this is not it. Okay, देखो, small trade. If it was just for few weeks that you were looking at, yeah, it came here. This formed a double bottom. Price moved, came back to the previous W. This is the same concept that we were talking. Real time में देखिए आप, इधर यहाँ पर नीचे आया, ये double bottom बनाया, and this is short time frame, long term का नहीं है, ये हफ्तों का है, so I will consider it short term. ये दो same concept, पीछे ये दो बनाया, फिर इसके बाद price यहाँ तक उठ के आया है, and then it fell where to till this, the same, जहाँ पर मैं कह रही थी कि oh there's lot of हलचल, price came here, फिर इसके बाद price यहाँ तक आया, इसके ऊपर उठा, and then it went close to this zone but it did not touch it. Sellers were already stepping in before. ये तो extra, I think, liquidity था जो displayed out. But if I had to see where the price would go into, I will just scroll the chart before. It was very close to this, and it was very close to this. Like, when I put a line, देखो, whenever I put a line, this does not mean that it is exactly 4.2537 exact. You always keep a band or a percentage band. Usme the price will come until or the previous high. Some people will be like overconfident. I will take the profit only here. गलतियां मत करिए. जब भी आपको थोड़ा green दिख रहा है and you've got like 50% of your profit, ले लीजिए और फिर stop loss लगाइए और वहां से confidently फिर वहां से लीजिए आपका जो भी profit मिल रहा है. Whatever profit you're getting after the stop loss is trailed. So now we are seeing something very similar here. So it will come. अगर आपके दिमाग में DCA का कॉन्सेप्ट, DCA is dollar cost average, जो अभी आपने 1.71 पे खरीदा है, जब यहाँ आएगा and if you have the amount and the jigra to put in some more so that your price comes little lower, you can DCA at this bit. And when do you DCA? Not exactly at this moment here. When you see that the price has moved off this a little bit, that's when you can do a DCA, bring down your cost, take a little chunk of a bigger profit. Not immediately. ये 100% की confirmation है ही नहीं कि it will respect the same pattern movement that we see right here. Volatile markets में कोई भी 100% बात नहीं है. ये है SUI USDT. We are just doing an analysis. और फिर जब यहाँ आएगा, okay, don't be greedy, take some profit, move your stop loss to another, like ahead. So अगर आपका buy price हो गया roughly 1.5 1.6 हो गया आपका buy price, आप लो profit यहाँ तक, then move your stop loss about. Yes, you know about EVA, you know about DCA, you are the pro. मैं pro नहीं, आप pro हो. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया थोड़ा analysis of SUI. अब ले सकते हैं क्या यहाँ से पाए? अभी तो इतने लाइक आई हैव स्पेंड थोड़ा टाइम एक्सप्लेनिंग कि यहाँ कोई भी सिग्निफिकेंट प्राइस एरिया आपको अगर दिखा, कोई सिग्निफिकेंट प्राइस दिखा आपको that you can take a buy, then go ahead. But I do not see a significant price movement that it will just create an uptick from here as of now. If you want, I will go into a 15-minute chart and help you understand if there is a buy sign right now or no. I'll take a slightly higher time frame than just 15 minutes. Okay, this is great. I'm almost like spotting it sitting right now. Okay, please. No, you just asked. That's why I tell you. Yes. I cannot give like advice. देखो अभी if I had to see the chart right now, 30 मिनट के चार्ट पे अगर आप खोल सकते हैं, it is a nice bullish sign from 2nd of December. It has gone up to one point and then it seems like it's creating like a channel pattern. ये लग रहा है मुझे bullish flag, at least जितना I have understood from. Oops. So अगर I am looking at the 30-minute chart of SUI, it shows a bullish flag. This is, in my opinion, not financial advice. ये मैं कई बार कहती हूँ that there is an upward movement till 1.76-ish, and वहाँ से it has created a channel pattern or a consolidation, sideway consolidation. I will not just keep it. Is it? Okay. I was just trying to find the technical name of this so that, everybody is aware of what is happening as a chart pattern, what it is. I'm trying to just gauge it in a better way. It can be, I don't want to complicate this. From what I know, it will come down a little bit. I cannot tell the exact price range as to where it will come down until. But if it breaks above, I will tell you. If it breaks above 1.69, okay, the price, if it breaks above 1.69, it surely should move upwards. Sunil, आपके लिए I will, and all those who are actually following, why just Sunil? I'll give this benefit to almost everybody who's there. If you subscribe to my channel and if you sign up, I will do a thorough analysis of this token, that is SUI, and I will give you probability के साथ. सब कुछ 100% probability नहीं है, so I will keep that in mind and I will sorry about that. BTC information, yes, Malik, we will be doing that in some time, but I want my viewers who are constantly looking to subscribe, sign up, use my link, spin the wheel, get some crypto, because Regina is being generous today and it is the month of December, so we have like some special offers. And here all you have to do is sign up and you get like crypto into your account. और क्या चाहिए? अगर मेरे पास होता तो मैं कर देती. But this is like nice. This is I have got some goodies for all my viewers. Hello Shreyas. I am talking in Hindi and English. So if your Hindi is bad, and my Hindi is bad anyway, so it's fine. एक बार गोल्ड का भी कर दो, इतने सारे मुफ्त में एडवाइस. आई डोंट माइंड गिविंग इट, आई लव टू एजुकेट इन टर्म्स ऑफ इट, बट बहुत सारे रिक्वेस्ट आ रहे हैं. और अगर मैं मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल देखूं, क्या मैं देख सकती हूँ और कितने लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब किए हैं. यस, आई विल ड्रॉप अ मैसेज इन माय टेलीग्राम. React with fire if you're in and you have subscribed, so that I know that I have, or I'm talking to real people. Because today is the super moon and we have meteor showers all around the world. Drop a star or react with a star emoji too if you are in the channel. और स्टार तो है ही नहीं इसमें. हार्ट, प्लेस hearts, thunderbolts, whatever emoji you feel like, go ahead and show me that you are in. This is not even touching all of it. Okay, so we are going on to the next person who has asked any trade now. I was actually looking at the BTC chart and I had noticed something. But I almost didn't make a mental note of it. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was talking about a triple top or a double bottom. Triple top is happening on a 15-minute chart on BTC. BTC का chart ले रहे हैं अभी. Let me see if this actually makes sense. If I look into the history of how the price has moved. It's a zone, technically, it's not just a line. For the longest time, I don't think BTC was this low. Okay, this is cool. We'll go a little, but this is the recent. आपके टिकटॉक अकाउंट को बचपन से फॉलो कर दिए हैं। अरे रे रे, दैट इज ग्रेट, आई लाइक इट। एफली नियो इज मेकिंग सेंस। सब लोग प्राइस प्रेडिक्शंस पूछते हैं इधर, लेके तो फिर चले जाते हैं एंट्री और एग्जिट लगाने के लिए। इट्स ऑल राइट। She's like so bad. For all the people who are viewing, I have my link, Telegram link. Please subscribe. Follow me on TikTok. Also, I have a spin the wheel contest only happening this week. A contest, it's not a contest. You spin the wheel essentially and you win either BDC, XRP. There are bunch of different tokens that you can win with the spin the wheel. All you have to do is use my promo code that is available in the bio link. Once you open it up, I have a message that's there. Just copy that link, use it, sign up, and you get crypto by just spinning the wheel. Life cannot that be as simple as that. Where am I from? I am from India. See, okay, one of the places that I'm seeing that there is a double top or a triple top almost for BTC. This is not even respecting zones at the moment. I will keep it as a band. It's not a trend line. This is a band at which I've seen prices before. Yeah. I want to learn new topics like that are used in forex and stuff. Thank you to all my followers. So I will switch the camera to show you what I am looking at on my screen rather than just me working through. And if we have a trade, I will drop the entry, take profit, stop loss, etc. in my bio link. How about that? Let me know if you want me to do that, and I will shift my screen. Sorry, let me know if you want me to do that, and I will shift my the screen to view the screen so that you can see what positions that I am taking, especially on my charts. Otherwise, we can keep it this way, and I will just drop the trade position in the link in the bio. Oh yeah. minutes ये UTC गलत हो गया. Right, we have 5 more minutes for this candle to close. We will wait for the candle to close, see what the other candle is doing. If it is dancing around the same zone, or if it's moving away from that zone, is what. So we essentially wait for 30 minutes till we take a trade position in BTC. And I will be back in a minute. is one of my favorite actresses. Okay, we have a nice fair value gap on the screen. बहुत excited हो जाती हूँ when a fair value gap just shows up in a place where I want some confirmation. I've already drawn all of these things on my screen. My screen looks. I like to have like a lot of fun when I make my charts, and I'm going to show you what fun essentially looks like. So now this is how my chart looks like. So मैंने key points पे ऐसे ऐसे emojis डाले. If price comes back to this point, essentially, I will not tell you what I'm going to do. Subscribe to my link in the bio and you will get exact position of what I will do in my trade. This is not अच्छा कि ये trade ले लो कल billionaire बन जाओगे. This is not today you join, tomorrow you become in Lamborghinis, but this just shows what trading can essentially help you with good principles, with good risk management. Anybody can be a successful trader. ये गिन चुन के लोगों के लिए नहीं है. I'm here to spread education and understanding of trading. तीन रेड बुल खत्म हो गया सुबह से. हाँ. I live on Red Bulls and now just look at the ceiling. Sorry about that. I am okay. We have some great. I love the. You know what I really love? I love this. यही से यही से मुझे खुशी मिल जाती है. I just feel very happy when once I just keep looking at these colors. Okay, so let's take a look at. Oops. Hey, this is a better view. And this way I even get to charge my phone. Okay, so coming back, TikTok is a place where I post my wins and my losses after I've taken the trade. The link in the bio is the place where I actually take my live trades and share some important information for all my viewers. Can you see? Oh, is it showing the end of it? No. I'm just adjusting the camera a little bit. Okay. So I didn't take any premature trade because this is how the candle keeps behaving. It's a Battamiz candle. Mr. MID, we watch you and charts. I am following you. Let's see. Yes. Do follow me. You will get to see the life of a crypto trader, especially who is a girl or a woman. But I don't want to like keep it like, oh, cut me some slack. I play on the same level feel that everybody else does. Okay. Now, why did I want to wait? Why didn't I take a trade immediately? Confidence की बात नहीं है, but it is essentially दिमाग वाली बात that I shared. I know that at this zone there is people who tend to buy short trades. People would just take a buy here, but that is not based on any, just I think it's stop loss hunting at the moment right here. It's an opinion. It's not the truth. I am just looking at the comments right now. Candle astrologer, he said hi and he went away. Or he, she, sorry, I'll call it it. MID has also left. So, okay. Follow the host. But don't send me in the text. I want to see it as a notification. For all those who are viewing, there is a lucky draw, super spin, guaranteed win. Oh, that's nice. Super spin with a guaranteed win if you sign up using my code. Okay. Okay. When does this candle get over at? 15:45. I think anything should be here, but okay, 15:45. We have 2 more minutes for this candle to show us some signs. I can see this candle. It is mostly sell pressure, unlike other candles that have been buying candles. And this is along a very convenient line. Convenient in the sense that you can see my amazing green color setup. Hello to my viewers. Hassan Bhatt, he joined yesterday as well. We have Candle Astrologer right at the top. An Arabic name. Bhaskar, Alvin, Imran. Don't feel shy that I'm taking your name. It's just that I like to show some love to all my viewers. Hello. We are, by the way, looking at the BTC chart. I'm going to flip my screen so that you can take a look at my fun looking chart right here. That's how it looks like. I am not using a broker. I use an exchange. It is called L Bank. Their interface is super intuitive. They have an inbuilt trading view. even though I go sometimes here, but sometimes they tell me to go for a trial, which I do not like. But we have L Bank, and this is BTC US. I'll just show it to you how it looks like. This is what we are looking at today. This is the exchange. If you go on to my bio, first follow me. Second is, if you go to my bio, there's a link, and if you click that link, there is a spin the wheel guaranteed win. Super spin guaranteed win. This is what I want to call it. Use my code, sign up, and you get to win. Guaranteed. And that is from BTC, XRP, Solana, ETH. There are so many options, and you can get it in your account. Right now, I am just waiting right here. Oops. Yeah, I'm seeing if it will test this line. Will it go above or will it go below? Will I see a green candle here or a red candle? And based on that, I am going to take a set up. And if you want the setup, the take profit, the stop loss, I'm going to put it in the bio link. If you click that link, you go to a channel. In that channel, you will find the exact entry, exit, take profit, stop loss. And I want to say that all of it that I enter, nothing is guaranteed except the spin the wheel. Otherwise, all my trades are based on probability. We make profits, we take them. If not, we have stop losses that don't, make us bleed into our trades. Some great trade management principles. Let's see what the volume looks like. There is an FBG right at this spot. This is where I have drawn almost my line at. And this is the line that I'm waiting for it to come, but there is a nice fair value gap that's here. It either can be filled and it's poof, or it will fill until that, and then we can see. Very clearly right now, people know what I am trying to do in terms of taking a trade position. It's like whichever chart I go to, first is I want to understand areas of interest. I don't think I like that view of me. came into the fair value gap and it's taking a nice move. For every trade, like I was saying before, there are two legs. One is a nice run, and then there is a pullback. This indicates a lot of things, but we will be strategic about it before we make any of our choices. How is what? The fair value gap hasn't closed fully, but not everything is placed to the T. with the camera, it is acting like a bitch. First few moments of live streaming is taxing because you have to understand movements, you have to understand where things are. What a great entry. I think I had too many numbers right here. Do we chase the price or do we just see? I'm looking that. Shh. I'm using leverage at the moment, so this number, don't let it scare you. So, first rule of principle that I am doing for all my YouTube subscribers who are seeing my screen. What? Ooh, that is crazy. What? 117, it's very safe. This would... Okay, that's moved way past what we were looking at. But it's all right, no FOMO. If we want, we can chase the price later if required. However, I am sure that we will, come here at some point in time. So right now, if any of my viewers want to see the trade that I'm taking, I will drop the entry points of this trade in the bios link. Do check it out. For some reason, I think all my chats are very lagged. आप daily कितना earn कर लेती हो? Oh, that is a very spicy question, Mr. Dollar. At the moment, do I share the correct numbers? देखो, अगर एक दिन का profit होता है तो it's around $700 to $1,500. I want to trade a little more, but उसमें burnout हो जाता है. जिंदगी थोड़ा, I like, happy जिंदगी. So I trade a little, I live a little, and I think that's a good day. Average, let's take, give or take. कभी कभार मेरे trades ऐसे जब like I've taken one trade, stream करते हुए, talking about the take profit stop loss, I almost, I won't say missed it, but, it didn't like really hit the price that I was looking at. We still have the fair value gap that is open, but it's almost come onto the fair value gap. What you can do as a next step. So go. I will drop a safe entry point, but again, not financial advice to viewers. Please be cautious about how you're taking your trades. You can use my promo code and join this new exchange. If this trade works out, then you will know what I'm talking about. So abhi, I will put it in the chat. Give me a minute to type the message out. Use the leverage that you feel like. जबरदस्ती नहीं है कि यही leverage use करो. Like you can use whatever you are comfortable with. I use leverage because I do a little bit of future trading. Not a little bit. मेरा तो I have 100x leverage open. So placed okay, let me even put how much would it be. But realistically also लगाते हैं. This is just one trade. this is a simple trade, so I am just looking at the I will explain that concept if you are interested. Where did it go? This is a short trade, so I'll talk less and I will walk more. This is not a high, see, crypto is volatile, so I will just put that caveat there that I'm not aiming for a very high risk reward because this position is a small position, matlab, for a short duration of time. So I want it to play out essentially. After it hits take profit, you know, I'd expect you to, or I would, what I would do, let me tell you that. What I would do is I would trail my stop loss and just keep accumulating profits if it's moving. Otherwise, you exit the trade altogether. Okay, nice. It's hitting our like our entry zone very soon. And see, crypto is like a volatile asset. So ऊपर नीचे जाता है just because that's how price moves. How I place the trade? Okay, my open orders are here. If you don't get the terms of the text message that I place in the bios link, please let me know in the comments here so that I can help you out. And if you're taking this trade, do create, like, do give me a thumbs up in the Telegram channel, and it will be nice to know if people are taking the trade or looking at it, what is the thing. And the trade will play out for at least an hour and a half around this zone that you see right here. So don't panic कि अरे ये तो जा रहा नहीं है. That's just the market sentiment. I will give you, so if anybody is waiting for it, that is the trade that I place in the channel. Do give me, like, an emoji in the comments so that I know that, you're actually paying some attention to what I am talking about. entry has come upon. Previously, I had set it at this price, but I have entered at 8, 4, 5. With a word of caution, I've already told that the price will move along this zone for some time. Just be patient. And let it play it out. There is still a fair value gap right here. All our conservative traders, if you've taken this trade, your stop loss is right here. Otherwise, we set it right until here. Top 10 accents in the world. Greatest, sexiest accents in the world. Let's start with number 10. It is apparently Brazilian. Then you have South of USA, Texas, etc. Spanish, French, Scottish. Scottish is number 6. Wild. Then we have Australian, Italian, Irish is the third. I mean, no hate to nobody. South African, Kiwi. Hello. I think I think the Indian accent is the best. All right. That candle has just passed into, like, almost like whacked into the fair value gap. And for all our conservative traders, it is coming close to your stop loss. Madness. Madness. We did 138. Ooh. Crypto is volatile. That is what it is. It's not for the faint of heart. sorry for people who were looking at my Telegram channel. I mistyped something. I wrote there that the conservative entry is at 93135. So your conservative entry was hit some time ago. And for those my risky entry, just pro entry traders, yeah, it looks like this. 16%. We're out, but soon we will see what the future holds for us. It's so I wouldn't say the struggles of a trader and a streamer. It is tough. I have to manage my messages. I have to take my trades. I have to live stream directly, have my lunch. It is. But I mean, you know, it's all right. Okay, I will take a break for 2 minutes ish to 4 minutes. Don't go anywhere, stay peeled. And all my subscribers, you've seen the message. And to all those who are new, do go into the bio link and check it out. Currently, market is ranging between something. Array, it's all right. I have taken my trade based on certain numbers, and if it works out all right, if it doesn't, it's perfectly fine. And I mean, it is what it is. So my screen is right here, and we will check it out after a few more minutes. Because then we will have a learning. It can also, like, the market can go sideways. This is based on one of, I'd say, the patterns that I took a look at, and that's what I am seeing. If it is, it is. Stop loss essentially could have been here, but then the risk to reward is just like 1:1. I want to just take a trade. Just, this is not like, you hold this trade till tomorrow, till the next time you see me tomorrow at 2 p.m. Dubai time. No, that's not what I mean. This trade should play out in the next few hours. And when it does, it is good. So all my conservative traders who've taken the trade, you're already in the green. So that's a good sign. And for all my pro traders, don't worry, it's all right. So I will see, ma'am, may I know the reason of the sell side? All right. I will share it once I am back. Okay. I will give you an understanding of why I took what I did. If you go to the chart, right now I'm looking at a 15-minute chart because my trade won't play out longer than 2-3 hours. saw a triple top at a particular key level zone, and so that's what I'm just using a play of the market at the moment. And dear candle astrologer, know that everything is just a probability. It is not financial advice. Everybody is supposed to do their own research. I just noticed that, and essentially that's why I am taking that trade. And I can be wrong. Even, the more a person knows, then they realize that they know very little. So it is what it is. Thank you. Thank you. It is hard work. It is hard work. Anybody doing anything fun today? It's Thursday, almost Friday. We have one more hour for the stream to end. Um, I will just let the charts play out, and I will just come back in a matter of a few minutes. But let's see. If I don't constantly look at the chart, what happens? Okay, I'll see you in a bit. and that is beautiful. That is beautiful. I think looking away from the charts is very helpful. Look at this. So when we took our trade, I think our conservative traders are more than elated. I'm looking at the BDC chart at the moment. We have an entry that we have made, and the trade position, I have placed it in my TG that is available in the bio. Take a look at it. We are at 36% profit for the pro trader. I think for the conservative trader, it's at least 50. So that is super cool. Okay, we're seeing some movement right here. Of course, it's not going to be a one drop candle. This is obvious. We can always take half our profits, half our way through if we are really super conservative as users. So what I will do is I will look at this with you, that I will take half my profit halfway through this, that is at 92432. So what we will do is we will add a profit at 92432. This is how it's half, and we will confirm that. Come on. Let's go. We are almost close to it. It's 92552. We have taken the halfway of the profit, that is 92432. Let's go. Let's see how this is going to play out. This was just in 30 minutes that we saw it come to the conservative position that we have placed. It is in the Telegram link in my bio. Let me know in the comments here if you have taken the trade along with me, or you were just sitting and counting the amount of people who have commented on this live. Also for the YouTube subscribers, you can see right now it is moving nicely in the direction that we want. Of course, we can again see a little movement. You see a lot of happening here, but this is just like one candle, sorry, one part of it. Let's wait a little more. Once we take profit, what we will do is, once it hits the take profit zone, we will move our stop loss to our entry from here or wherever everybody else has put it. Just shy, just shy. Nine two four three two. Come on, come on. Slice through that FVG and we want, yes, yes, we slice through that FVG and we're going downwards, and that is how we do it. I'm getting extremely loud right now. How many more minutes? We have 2 more minutes for the end of that candle. I almost want to look at something else at the moment, but this is great. unit, it is crazy. Come on. Has to hit this zone. What? Why is it dreaming? Okay, the reason it's dreaming. Now I get it. It has to, right? These are areas where it picked up from previously. Let's look at this. Everybody who wants to see the trade that I've taken, please go to the link in my bio. So we have just more 40 minutes till our trade plays out. But don't worry if it doesn't hit in the next 40 minutes. I will still be there on our channel in TG, posting any live updates if the trade is getting stale, what we can do. For people who are in come from traditional trading like stocks or commodities. This essentially is a 1 hour play. I will tell you that it will come back to our entry position, that is 9 to 8-ish. Don't fret, it is fine. There is small FBG right here before it comes back to ours. So let's keep looking at this, how it plays out. Sometimes, I think to myself that I should be glued to my screen. I think everybody has, their own ways of looking at trades. Okay, that's strong. That's a strong green candle that has just come almost close to our entry position, except for the conservative traders. This is BTC that we're talking, a highly volatile asset. For people who don't really get what it is, please read about it, understand about it, what it really does. Don't fall into FOMO. Jo dar gaya, that is fear. So, but also there is Mountain Dew ka. I don't endorse it, of course, but dar ke aage jeet hai. 'm trying to do the same thing, that I don't look at the chart and see that, if the price goes in a one direction or not. 5 more minutes on that candle. It's a 15-minute chart that I'm looking at right now. Okay, so it almost came close to our entry. is wild. Look at these star little smileys. 1%. Ouch. That's a freaking ouch. For all the viewers, right now the trades are playing a dance with us. For all those who raked in their profits halfway through, congratulations. For all those who are in the trade along with me, don't worry. I am still there with you. We have just like 3-4% of profits right now, all the way from 50 to 3, because we didn't rake in our profits at the right time. We were overzealous. But it's all right. Now, if the trade doesn't move in our direction, what we will do is no harm, no foul. We will stop our loss at our entry price. That is last price, so that we don't have just losses at okay, like there's some system glitch at the moment. I will wait for 10 more minutes after this candle finishes is when I will take and look at if I should stay in the trade or I shouldn't. That will leave us with 15 minutes to converse if this was a good trade or not. What was it? We'll talk a little bit about volatility, how to preserve our profits, stop our losses, as simple as that. There are some fake outs that's just crypto because it's super volatile. What is it looking like? Let's take a look. Okay. Okay. We will get some coffee because it's the last few minutes of the stream. Let's be super energetic. Sometimes, just sidebar. My English switches from the US to the UK in like matter of seconds. I have no idea why, but yeah. So I'll just go grab a coffee and come back. All my viewers stay. All those who joined, welcome. We are right now looking at the BTC chart for the entry. Look at the link in my bio. Follow me on TikTok for more tidbits about one of the volatile assets in the world, that is CRYPTO. some indecision. Hello, hello to all my viewers. Seven percent only. Regina, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. All my viewers, come and follow me on TikTok if you want to find out interesting trading strategies, more talks, insights about new assets in the space, in this digital age. And I have a special TG channel in my bio for fun activities for all my followers. So if you're thinking, hey, this is just like some random link, no, check it out and you will know what I'm talking about. Hello, hello, Mr. Biz Up. What is happening? Thank you, thank you. That is really nice. I am amazing as of now. Spectacular, brilliant. How are you doing? much. That is the kindest thing that you've done today, or anybody has done for me. Thank you. Highly appreciate it. Thank you. For all the new viewers who have come, we are looking at trading BDC. Yes, I am based in Dubai, in the heart of Dubai. Oh, nice, nice. Okay, a little bit of something. So for all the viewers who are in Dubai, yes, absolutely. Why, if you follow me on TikTok, subscribe to my channel that is in the link, sign up. I have something special where I will have a meet and greet session with all my viewers, and hopefully I can plan it sometime before the end of December. So, keep it going and it'll be amazing. That's how I will connect with all my viewers. Oh, that's sweet. That is sweet. Right now, all those who are following my trade, we are up 25% in our trade. It is looking good. Markets move up and down. Bang! 25 to 35. That is winner moment. Let's go. Four to nine. So our what 432. Why isn't this showing? I am going to take a look at this. Seem like a little bit of a glitchish. Why was that? Come on. Come on. Come on. We are just a few percent away from our take profit. Come on. Anyway, it is what it is. Beat it! Beat it! Beat it! $9,244 was what our take profit is. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, yes. It is testing that zone like its life depends on it. Come on, just touch that and it is fire. It is fire! And we have taken profit for the point that we mentioned, that is 92432. This is a banger. This is one of the first trades since I have started posting as an educated trader that I have taken this, and this is a spot on. We are looking at our next profit zone as well, but for now, do enjoy those profits. I mean, this is not financial advice. I will keep reiterating it. This is based on the research that I have done on charts, patterns in the crypto industry, being here 8 years and trading for almost 2. This is my knowledge that I share with all my viewers. So let's keep it going. We are also coming to the end of our live session with 10 more minutes remaining. And within that, we have assess charts. I'm just summarizing again. Looked at different tokens, analyzed them. We've looked at the BDC chart. We've established a great trade setup. We've raked in our profits. I don't think the day can get any more productive than this. So this is amazing. Okay, we have a new viewer. He's saying, hello, can you tell me what this is? All right, Mr. H. Buck, A471, please click on the Telegram link that is available in my description. Subscribe to the channel and you will know more about what I am talking about. This is trading crypto with education, knowing what it is, how it is done, not making guesses in the air, taking exact entries and exits, putting stop losses, having trade management skills. This is what it is. This is what we strive for. And you don't have to walk alone in this journey. This is all alongside me, your creator, Regina. This is at YouTube. This is even TikTok. All my viewers, do check my channel out. This is not a promotion. I just want everybody else to be part of the journey that I am taking. And I just get super excited when I share with people. So if you look at either my YouTube or TikTok, you will know what I really do. And until then, I hope everybody has an amazing, too much, better and a better, way too much of an amazing day. Look at the stars. Look at the meteor showers tonight. Look at the moon. It's going to be spectacular. No, MIT, I do not want your money. For honest, if you follow me, I think it's more the opposite direction where you earn a little. But again, this is not financial advice. It's your journey. If you want me to be part of it, great. Otherwise, it's all up to you. I'm not asking for your money at all. But instead, I would love that you all show me support as a creator. See what I'm doing. Check it out. If it's your vibe, then it's all right. If it isn't, then, juices. But any which ways, this trade, I have taken half my profits. Now what I will do is I will set my stop loss to where I have taken my profits from, or my entry point, whichever is convenient. Okay. It's something that is up here. So my take profit is supposed to be 92122, correct? Slightly conservative right here. I will trigger my stop loss at 9 2. What was it? Let me check my TG so that I know the exact price that we can move our stop loss into. let's look at trailing our stop loss just before we go. We have about 6 minutes. Let's do a mathematical where we even get some profit and we also cut our losses. So it's 692,650 is where I can trail my stop loss to. And if it hits, it hits. Otherwise, we are in a good position. Sorry. I'm almost at the fag end of the day. We are in 9, 2. So this is how we will set our take profit, and still if we trail our stop loss, what happens is we still gain 100, like we still gain, it's still in the green. For all my YouTube viewers, you can check that we will still be in the green. So I will confirm that. Sometimes it will just come, hit that stop loss, and then prance around. But one confirmation we can take, that if it does not come all the way till here, we know that it is going all the way down till our take profit. So anyway, it was really an amazing time. Thank you all for joining. This has been amazing. All that I share here is not financial advice. You are of your own volition to do whatever you feel like. This is just me sharing my, I won't call it just expertise, but my know-how within this space, what I would do, what I wouldn't. If you think you have, I'm not asking you for your trust, nothing. If you like what I do, just, follow and subscribe. As simple as that. And I will catch you again tomorrow. Same time, same place, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Dubai time. Mark your calendars, put your alarm clocks, and come join me while I take my trades live on my screen, showing setups, doing everything in front of you, and special entries, exits, take profits, stop losses right at in the link in my bio. And until then, follow, like, and spread some love. Take care. Bye-bye.